To be the homilist for this 25th priestly anniversary, I wonder, and I ask myself, is it because I am young and I look like an altar boy? Or is it because I'm cute? There are many handsome clergy who are here. But it dawned on me that because I am his younger brother and he has been my mentor, and perhaps I could tell you many revelations about Father Manny. You know, my dear friends, as this day draws near, a question has kept me sleepless and restless. I ask, why was Father Manuel Duterte ordained a priest? What made him survive 25 years as a priest? Is it because he is brilliant? Is it because he is a born leader? A very organized and systematic in his work? Is it because he has many talents? Or perhaps it is because, according to his mother, he's very handsome. Of course, we are hesitant to agree. After so many possible explanations, only one answer remains. Father Manny became a priest by the grace of God. And so through the 25 years as a priest, it was and is now the grace of God. The priesthood is a sheer gift, a grace from God. Father Manny did not choose to become a priest. It was Jesus who chose them, and such is the mystery and gift of the priesthood. I'm sure Father Manny will be the first one to confirm God's goodness. I'm sure that he had undergone all of trials, sufferings, struggles in his priestly life. The priestly life has never been easy, and I'm sure he is also tempted. Not all his plans materialized. It was a long and tough journey. It was a journey riddled with doubts, fears, and anxiety. And now, here we are in this Eucharist. We have Father Manny with us, celebrating this Mass to the Lord for the grace of 25 years of priesthood. Thanks be to God. We give a round of applause. Yes, Father Manny, thanks be to God. But if I may ask the question, who is Father Manny? Father Manuel Duterte was born on May 4, 1962 in a small village, Polanca, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, and he was ordained as a priest on December 29, 1988. With these achievements, I might allow me to enumerate with you. He finished elementary at Polanca Central School with honors, 1975. He finished high school at St. Vincent College with Academic Award, valedictorian on 1980. Gosh, I was just born. Right after high school, fell in love. Guess who? The Lord. He entered Pastor Bono's seminary, and there he finished Bachelor of Arts in major in English and Philosophy in 1983, cum laude. Wow. For his postgraduate studies, he studied at Ateneo de Davao University with Masters of Arts in Religious Education, major on Theology, with academic honors again. Pursued another Masters of Arts in Pastoral Studies in Loyola University in Chicago, Illinois, with honors, of course, 2004. And now he works humbly and sincerely here in this parish, and as well as the chaplain in Durham region. With all your achievements, Father Manny, perhaps the question is, what was your secret for your success and perseverance? When I was discerning for my priesthood, I asked Father Manny about the priesthood and what was his secret of priesthood. And today, Father Manny, allow me to remind you what you have told me. The secret is simply gratitude. That is what he told me. And true indeed. A grateful heart is a humble heart. A grateful heart is a prayerful heart, because you will always recognize the source of blessings and accomplishment. A grateful heart is a loving and faithful heart. When you are thankful, you cannot help but respond in fidelity and service. A grateful heart is a heart at peace. And this is our prayer for you, Father Manny. May your priestly life and ministry be an endless recognition of the thanksgiving to God. And every time you hear the words, thanks be to God, always remember your priesthood. Dear Father Manny, you are blessed. You have witnessed the goodness of God for 25 years of priestly life. You are what you are now by the grace of God. To let the people become who they are called to be because by the grace of God. What you have received as a gift, give as a gift. Let them experience God's goodness through your ministry of service and intercession. Some of them right now are lost. Others are in anguish and desperation. Others are struggling with their doubts. Many are poor and sick. Be for them always, as it has been, you are a channel of God's grace, no more, no less. I remember that as ordained priests, when the bishop asked us 3 times if we can do our job, our final response was, I am, with the help of God. Sometimes we priests forget that part of the ceremony of the ordination. We forget that we can only offer God's grace to the people with the help of God. We can only persevere in this vocation if we can only remain faithful, and we can only be fruitful by the grace of God. In this Thanksgiving Mass, as we thank for the gift of priesthood of Father Manny, it is therefore our turn to thank Father Manny for being such a grace of God to all of us. Father Manny, you are a blessing. You are indeed a man of prayer, a priest truly proud of his vocation. You are truly a grace of God to many people you have served in the 25 years. And so, my dear community here at St. Jude Parish, please pray for us, your priests. Pray for Father Manny. Your prayers are the best gifts we priests can ever receive. Your prayers are the strongest weapons we priests can use in time of temptations. Your prayers will help us remember the primacy of God's grace. It is said that when a community fails spiritually, it is the priest's fault. But it can also be true that when a priest falls, the community did not pray enough for him. The grace of God. It is the story of Father Manny's vocation. It is the story of our salvation. We begin with it. We will accomplish through it. And we will end with it. The grace of God. It will make us humble, grateful, and faithful. The grace of God. It is what we receive. It is also what we will give and share. Everything is a grace from God. Thanks be to God through Father Manny. My dear friends, let's all stand and let's give him a round of applause.